Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone. So this is part 2 from the exercise 9.1. For part 1, please check the description box.
Now sum number 7. Here if log 10x equal to a and log 10y equal to b, then find the value of xy. Okay, that means x into y. So given that log 10x equal to a and log 10y equal to b. So here 10 to the power a equal to x and here 10 to the power b equal to y. If you want to find the value of xy, that means x into y. So 10 to the power a into 10 to the power b, and by the formula it will be 10 to the power a plus b. Sum number 8. Given that log 10a equal to m and log 10b equal to n, express a cube minus b square in terms of m and n. So here 10 to the power m equal to a and 10 to the power n equal to b. Now you have to find out a cube by b square. So a cube means 10 to the power 3m, cubing both side, and b square. So squaring both side. So 10 to the power 2n equal to b square. Now a cube by b square, that means a cube, value of a cube is 10 to the power 3m and here 10 to the power 2n. And by the formula it will be 10 to the power 3m minus 2n. Okay, that is the formula. Now sum number 9. So my dear students, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends, and if you are new viewer, so please subscribe my channel. So one by one I will upload all the chapters from the book of M.N. Agarwal of class 9. So please stay with us, and as much or as soon as possible I will upload all the videos. Okay. Now sum number 9. Log 10x equal to 2a, log 10y equal to plus b by 2. Write 10 to the power a in terms of x. So here log 10x equal to 2a, that means 10 to the power 2a equal to x. Now if 10 to the power 2a equal to x, 10 to the power 2a means 10 to the power a whole square. Okay. So here 10 to the power a whole square equal to x. Now by square root both side, okay, you will get 10 to the power a equal to root x, as square root of 10 to the power a whole square, that will be 10 to the power a. So here 10 to the power a equal to root x. That is the first one. Now next one, express 10 to the power 2b plus 1 in terms of y. So here 10 to the power log 10y, that equal to b by 2. That means 10 to the power b by 2 equal to y. Now 10 to the power b by 2 equal to y, by squaring both side, 10 to the power b by 2 into 2, that equal to y square. So 2 cancel out. Then 10 to the power b equal to y square. Now you want to find out here 10 to the power 2b. So again squaring both side, you will get 10 to the power 2b equal to y to the power 4. Okay, 10 by squaring both side, 10 to the power 2b equal to y to the power 4. And here 10 to the power 2b plus 1, that means 10 to the power 2b into 10 to the power 1. Then instead of 10 to the power 2b, write down y to the power 4 into 10. So finally 10 into y to the power 4. You can just write down only 4. Okay, no need to write down the positive sign. Now 9.3. Log 10p equal to 3a minus 2b. Express p in terms of x and y. So here 3a, you can write down this 3a in this form, 3 by 2 into 2a. Okay, 2 cancel out and you will get again 3a. And 2b, you can write down 2b as 4 into b by 2. Okay, here I just change the form, 3a write in this way, 3 by 2 into 2a, and 2b in this way, 4 into b by 2. 2 and 4 will be cancelled, you will get again 2b. Now as here 3a minus 2b it's given, I change it into 3 by 2 into 2a minus 4 into b by 2. Why? Because we have the value of 2a and b by 2. The value of 2a it's given, and that is log 10x, and value of b by 2 it's also given, that is log 10y. So to put down or to use the value of 2a and b by 2, here I convert this 3 way like in this way and 2v in this way. Okay. So here 3 by 2 log 10x minus 4 log 10y. So by the formula, log 10x and 3 by 2 will be here x to the power 3 by 2, and here log 10y to the power 4. So here both the base are same. So here log 10 x to the power 3 by 2 minus log 10 y to the power 4. So by the formula of log, you can write this in this way, log 10 here x to the power 3 by 2 by y to the power 4. In the left hand side you have log 10p. So by comparing both sides, the final answer x to the power 3 by 2 by y to the power 4 is the value of p. That is the final answer. Sum number 10. Log 2y equal to x, log 3z equal to also x. Then find the value 72 to the power x in terms of yz. So here y equal to 2 to the power x, here z equal to 3 to the power x. Y equal to 2 to the power x, z equal to 3 to the power x. Now 72 to the power x. First factorize 72. You will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Sorry, to the power x. Now 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 to the power cube, and 3 into 3, that means 3 to the power square. Okay. So here 2 to the power cube into 3 square to the power x. So that will be 2 to the power 3x into 3 to the power 2x. Now here 2 to the power x means y, then 2 to the power 3x, that means cubing both sides, you will get y cube. So that will be y cube. Here 3 to the power x equal to z and 3 to the power 2x. So that means you have to squaring both sides. Then you will get 3 to the power 2x equal to z square. So write down here square. That means 72 to the power x will be y cube into z square. Now the last problem from this exercise, here sum number 11. Log 2x equal to a, log 5y equal to also a. Write 100 to the power 2a minus 1 in terms of x and y. So from this 2 to the power a equal to x, and from this one y equal to 5 to the power a. Now here 100 to the power 2a minus 1. 100 means 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now 2 into 2 means 2 square, 5 into 5 means 5 square. Here 2a minus 1 as power. Now here 2 to the power square, so 2 into 2a minus 1. And here 5 to the power 2, that means 5 square into 2a minus 1. So 2 into 2a 4a, and 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So here 2 into 2a 4a minus 5 2. So that means here 2 to the power 4a by 2 square, and here 5 to the power 4a by 5 square. Okay. Now what is the value of 2 to the power 4a? As here 2 to the power a equal to x, then 2 to the power 4a will be x to the power 4 by simple. So here x to the power 4. 5 to the power 4a. As here 5 to the power a equal to y, then 5 to the power 4a will be y to the power 4. So write down here y to the power 4. Here 2 square means 4, 5 square means 25. So the final answer x to the power 4 y to the power 4 by 100.